In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set up WireGuard on your TrueNAS configuration. First go to apps, then discover apps, type in WG, then you'll find WG Easy, go and install. Here on external host you have to type in your external IP address or your public IP address. On password you have to type in the password of the web UI. Choose a much more secure one than my one. Here type your network interface name. Mine is BR0. And here optionally, if you want to change your DNS that your WireGuard clients use, you can change it here. I'm going to change mine to my Pi-hole server. Then go to install. Wait a little bit for the app to install. Okay, now it says deploying, wait for it to say running. Now click on web UI. If you're getting this error, just change the port to 30058. Type in your password. Now you will see your clients here. Create a new one. Give them a name, whatever you want. I'm gonna call it test. Then hit on create. Now you have created a client. You can press this button to download the configuration. You can press this on a mobile device as with a QR code. You can put it directly. And this is it. Your clients will show up here. This is their IP address that the server automatically assigns them. Here is their name. If they are active, you will see this glowing red dot. Here you can disable or enable it. And here you will see their network usage. This is their overall usage. This is right now, currently 0 bytes. Now, for you to be able to access your WireGuard server outside of your house, you need to port forward the WireGuard port, which is 51820 by default. For this, you have to go to your router's IP address. Mine is this, you have to figure that out on your own. Here you enter your username and password. Usually this information is written on the back of the router, but you may need to contact your ISP for that. Here this is going to be different on every router, but on this one you have to go to application. Then here go to port forwarding, then enter the WireGuard port on WAN and LAN as well. Here you put the IP address of your TrueNAS server. In this case is 192.168.1.73. Here's your protocol. I would suggest setting it as TCP-UDP and click on add. After you clicked on add, you will see that your port will be listed somewhere. Here it is. It recognizes the device name and IP and it says active. Now our TrueNAS server can be accessed outside of your house.